Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M4 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the keyboard, for example in the messages, notes, browser, whatever. Just have the keyboard on the screen, so for example this one, or maybe not. Just have the keyboard, and now we have to enter the settings, which should be in this panel. Let's tap on the languages and tap on Add Keyboard. Here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which you can choose, so you can either scroll or tap on Search Language and enter the name of the language you'd like to apply, and after finding it, just tap on it. Choose the region if you want to, if you can actually. And here we've got the keyboard layouts, the keyboard types from which you can choose. Of course, the amount of them depends on the specific language. If you want to apply a specific one, simply mark it, just like in this case, and untick the option you don't want to apply. Then let's tap on Done, and as you can see, the Urdu language has been immediately applied. If you want to leave only one language, you can remove the previous one right now. Just tap on this edit icon, mark the language and remove it, but I will do it later on because I'd like to show you how to use the keyboard with 2 or 3 different languages added. Basically, we've got the language key, which will allow us to change the language layout. As you can see, we can smoothly switch through them. And the second difference is the spacebar. It's not empty anymore. Right now, we've got the name of the language we're currently using, which is extremely helpful. So now let me show you how to remove the language to leave only one applied. Let's go back to the languages, tap on the edit icon, mark the language and trash bin icon. In my case, I'd like to leave English applied. So let's go back to the keyboard, and as you can see, we do not have the globe icon, the spacebar is empty, which means that we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.